Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is have Jupyter installed, which is pretty simple, so I won't be covering that. Then what you need to do next is, go in and just go to the location from where you want to start Jupyter. Type in CMD. Okay, and once you type in CMD, you should be able to see a black screen. Okay, and so once you see this, what you need to do is simply enter Jupyter notebook. Okay, and what this would do is it would launch a Jupyter in the browser. Okay, so you should be able to see. Okay, right, so that's the way you would launch it. You can go in here, and that's